If your Fiverr seller account is not getting approved, then you might be making some mistakes due to which your account is not being approved. Because, honestly, it's a very easy step. Anyone can create an account, and it gets approved. However, Fiverr has upgraded its policies, and either you are not reading those policies, or you don't understand how to get your account approved. So today, I am going to clear all the policies for you and explain everything on the screen as well. I will show you exactly what you need to do in your seller account so that your Fiverr account gets approved as soon as possible, within 24 hours. In today's video, I will explain the complete method in detail. And let me tell you one more thing: if you miss even one step, your account will get rejected. Your email will also be banned, and the phone number you attached will also be flagged. Because once you attach a phone number, your gig is created, and after that, Fiverr decides whether to approve or reject your account. So if you want to avoid mistakes and want your account to be approved as quickly as possible, then you must watch this video completely and follow the total process that I will explain. You need to note down each and every point. Don't just rely on memory, either take a screenshot or grab a notebook and write down the important points. Now, the first and most important point is your IP address and internet connection. Let me explain this in detail. As you know, Fiverr does not allow you to use 2 or 3 accounts on the same IP address. So what should you do? You need to change your IP address, meaning, if you have already created an account on your laptop, and now you are trying to create another one on the same device, then you need to use a different laptop for the second account. The second thing is your internet connection. This is not rocket science. Just get a new data package with any SIM card, activate the internet on it, turn on the mobile hotspot, and connect it to a new PC or laptop. However, even after doing these 2 things, your account will not get approved easily. There is one more extremely important setting that you need to do at the last step. Without this, your account will never get approved. Now, let me show you this on the screen. So here, I am on Fiverr's dashboard, and let me give you an example. If I click on website design, you will see that there are 34,000 competitors in this category. Let's leave this for now and check another one. Let's select logo design. Here, the competition is 273,000 to 274,000 sellers. Now, look at this. There are level 2 sellers, top-rated sellers, and level 1 sellers. Some of them have already completed thousands of orders. For example, this seller has 146 orders in queue. So tell me something. How will a new seller like you compete with them? If you go to newest arrivals and look at their gigs, do you think they are even close in quality to top-rated sellers? Look at their thumbnails. Some are low quality, some have irrelevant images, and some are completely off topic, like t-shirt designs in the logo design category. If you do this, Fiverr will never approve your account. Now, let me tell you the right way to get your Fiverr account approved. First, you must analyze the competition. If a category has too many gigs and thousands of orders in queue, then Fiverr will not approve new accounts in that category. This policy is being applied mostly in Pakistan, Bangladesh, and India. So how can you get your account approved? Look at the new categories where Fiverr needs more sellers. For example, if I click on AI services and select AI agent development, there are only 301 sellers. This means Fiverr is looking for sellers in this category. But wait, it's not that simple. You must have high-quality services. You can't just create a random gig with low-quality work. Fiverr analyzes your profile thoroughly, your description, profile setup, quality of your services, and overall presentation. Now, look at the gigs in AI agent development. Their thumbnails are well designed, their services are relevant, and their profiles are properly set up. That's why Fiverr approves these profiles quickly. But here's a problem. You might not have skills in AI services. So what should you do? You should look at the categories marked as new in pink and pick one of them. Now, follow this method. Copy the exact gig title of a top seller. Set up your gig using my method, which I explained in the video. Write an attractive gig description. Make your profile look professional. Do not randomly add skills like graphic design if your gig is not related to it. Next, open a few top profiles in that category and check what tags they are using, what titles they have written, how they have structured their gig descriptions, what certifications they have added. If they have certifications, you also need to add relevant ones. Now, once you have done all the setup properly, you need to publish your gig. After 4 to 5 working days, if your gig is still not ranking well, delete it and create a fresh gig. 100% guaranteed, if you follow these steps, your Fiverr account will get approved. So, I hope you found this video helpful. If you liked it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so you never miss a new video. See you in the next video.